Hey, I'm Mike Less with Deutz-Fahr America, and behind me is a brand new Deutz-Fahr 6135C tractor with the RV shift transmission. In this video, I'm going to talk about the features and the benefits of this transmission and how to operate it. The 6135 RV shift transmission is a 20-speed full power shift transmission with a bump shift lever. Bumping the lever forward shifts the transmission up in gears, bumping it back shifts it down. Beside the shift lever, there are three buttons that have to do with the transmission. First up is a transport work transmission mode selector button, APS automatic power shift button, and then also a neutral button. To switch between transport and work mode, press this button here. When you press this button on the dash, you will see a symbol indicating a barn for field mode and a street for transport mode. Pushing the button switches this back and forth as shown here. Also, when I was changing this between the modes, you can see there in the work mode or the barn, it's starting out in gear number 3. When I go and switch it back to the transport mode with the road signal, it's starting out in 10th gear. So we can actually go in here and customize this in each mode for a specific startup gear. The transmission also has another mode button located right here. This button, orange in color, shows the symbol of a plow on it. When I press that on the dash, it changes it from a wagon to a plow. To customize our transmission settings located right here, such as our startup gear and so on, we can go over here and scroll using this button here. When I scroll, you see that changes the dash. If we hit the escape button, that switches our dash here. Then I can take the knob and scroll. So if I scroll over to the wrench, press down on that button, we can go back and forth between here. So right here is road. So if I press down on that, this brings up our road, and it'll tell you starting gear at 10, minimum gear at 8, max gear at 20, and APS Eco Force. So if we wanted to change our startup gear to a lower gear, for example, I would just scroll here. That brings us down to the number 2 setting. Push the button. Okay, it shows 1 through 20. We're set at 10. I can turn that back to start out in 8th gear. So now that I got it on number 8, if I press down on that, we have now successfully programmed it to start out in 8th gear in the road mode. Okay, now to go from the road mode to the barn mode, I can just roll my knob here. That'll switch it to barn. Press down. Now you can see, if I scroll between here, we got a starting gear, minimum gear, a max gear, and our force. So again, if I wanted to change that starting gear, say on number 2, just highlight that, press down, and then scroll on the knob. I'm going to take it up to number 4, just for example here. Press down, and then that saves it. To get out of this mode, I would just hit escape and work my way back out. Another mode we have here is this gear. Scroll over to that, press down. So there's other settings in here. Okay, for example, number 1 is a max multiple shift. We'll press down on that. So we can actually set this transmission up to skip gears. So every time we bump this, if we want this to jump up 2 gears, looks like we can go to a maximum of 5. This allows us to do that when in this mode. There is also many other advanced settings for this transmission for the automatic power shift and so on. And then to get back to our main screen, just keep hitting escape and we get back here. Now that I showed you the settings to drive the tractor, first off, we will release our parking brake. This tractor right now is set up to start out in 4th gear. I'm going to go ahead and give her a little throttle here. You do not need to use the clutch pedal to start out. We can just take the shuttle shift, bump it into forward, and we are moving. If we wanted to back up, we can just shuttle shift right to reverse, no clutching involved. Once the tractor is moving, to shift up, just bumped our shift lever forward. That moved it up one gear. That moves it up another gear. As I shift, you can see that gear number change on the dash to tell you what gear you're in. To downshift, just bump back, and you can see the transmission shifting down here on the dash. Gear number 8 was programmed as our startup gear in the road mode. It will not shift below that while in this mode. To activate the APS, automatic power shift, simply press down on this button right here. Once that is activated, you will see APS pop up on your dash. I am going to press it and turn it off. You see APS disappears. I'm going to turn it back on. It reappears. With the APS automatic power shift activated, and I want to move the tractor, I move the shift lever into forward at an idle. It dropped down to second gear. Now, as I increase my engine RPMs with the foot throttle or the hand throttle, this will work like an automatic transmission in an automobile. As those RPMs increase, you will see the tractor shift up in gears. If I pull back on the hand throttle or let up on the foot throttle, those gears will start to shift down. So you can set that range for a start out gear and a top gear, and you can use your throttle to work in that range to increase or decrease speeds automatically. This is a nice feature when moving from field to field with the tractor and other applications. To deactivate or turn off the APS automatic power shift, I'm just going to move my shuttle lever back into neutral. Over on the side console, just tap the APS button and that will deactivate it. With the automatic power shift deactivated, you can just set your engine RPMs and then use the shift lever to shift up or down to increase or decrease your speed. To a higher gear or down to a lower gear. And that is a basic overview of how the RC shift transmission works on a Deutz-Fahr 6135. For more information on the 6135 and other Deutz-Fahr products, please visit our website at www.deutz-fahramerica.com. Thanks for watching.